So, why are you getting no views on TikTok? This video was highly requested, so here I am now making it. I'm gonna give you guys 6 reasons why your views are going down on TikTok or why you're getting no views at all, and the ways that we can combat this so that you can get your views up. Welcome back to another dose of Joseph. If you're new to this channel, my name is Joseph Henry, and my main focus here is to help you grow in social media, especially TikTok, as fast as possible. I have a TikTok tips to go viral playlist here on YouTube with over 10 high quality videos where I'll be showing you how to grow on TikTok super quickly. I'll be linking it down in the description below. I've helped tons of people get over 10K followers. Don't slack on this playlist because it is gold. Also, comment your TikTok username down below. I'll take a look at your page and give you as much advice as I can to help you grow on TikTok faster. And also reply to other people's comments down in the comment section, and maybe you guys can follow each other and we can all grow fast. I love when people message me telling me that I've helped them grow on their TikTok. There's no feeling that's better than that. So if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram and DM me there when it's your time. No matter how many followers and how many subscribers I have, I'll always be answering every single comment and every DM. If you want tips on how to grow on TikTok directly from me, join the TikTok viral chat down below that I'll be linking in the description. And if by the end of this video you like it, drop a like below because it helps me out, and also subscribe because I make videos just like this one every other day. And also wait until the end of this video because I always post the most valuable content towards the end of the video to reward the people that stay and watch. So guys, stick around. So why is this happening, you might be asking? Well, the answer is nobody likes you. I'm kidding, guys. You know I love you. You know I love you, right? That was super weird. That was super weird. I felt like one of those cringy POV TikToks that those guys make. Do you know what I'm talking about? Should we watch? Man, that's cringy. Cringy. So guys, if your views are going down or your views are stuck at 0 for some reason, don't panic because this has even happened to me, and I have 750,000 followers. It's completely normal. I've tested these strategies on multiple accounts of my own. I review lots of TikTok accounts of people that come to me. I'm in multiple TikTok group chats, so I've gathered a lot of data from all these accounts, and I just want to pass what I've learned onto you guys. So let's go over the main reason why your views may be plummeting and the steps that we could take to fix this. There are various reasons and factors as to why this might be happening to your account, but every account is different. What isn't different for everybody is TikTok. TikTok and its algorithm are the same for everybody on the platform. No matter who you are, the algorithm is going to work the same way it always does. So these are the main reasons why TikTok may be punishing you and withholding your content from the people. Let's talk about it. So these are the 6 reasons. Reason number 1, you never had a lot of views on your account and your page has already been marked as a low engaging, unworthy page to push your content to new people, and you may need to make a brand new page. I dive deeper into all that and why you might need to make a whole new page and how you can do that in my Get TikTok Famous in 1 month video that I'll be linking right up above on top of this video. Don't click it now, just wait until afterwards. Set a reminder or something and be sure to watch that. When you first make an account, the data of your first 20 videos are collected and averaged out, and with this data, TikTok might deem your page trash, and that amongst other reasons that I'll be getting into shortly. Once this happens, it's very hard to fix this account, and it's not worth it to keep trying on this same account. It's better to just make a new one. I've tested this on multiple accounts that I've made, and this has happened to my accounts, and I'll get into why this happened on my accounts in reason 2. Reason number 2 is you're posting the same exact content that someone else who's gotten a lot of views on that content already has already posted. 2 accounts can't post the same video if one of those accounts gets a lot of views. This is the main reason why some of the other accounts that I've made have gone dead. I tried reposting videos that already got a lot of views on my main page onto my 2nd and 3rd accounts, and because of this, TikTok said,
"Oh, no.
Also, when I've made skits with my girlfriend and I post it and then she tries to post it afterwards, TikTok recognizes this video even though I just posted it and doesn't show her video that she posted to anybody. It'll stay at 0 views unless somebody comes to the page and watches it from her page. Then it'll jump somewhere from 1 to maybe 20 views max, which is garbage because she has over 40,000 followers. Even if you use a different sound or even if you crop the video a little bit, it does not work. If you make a video with a friend friend and you both want to post the same video, guys, just make 2 versions of the same video. I'm telling you. It's annoying, but this is a must. Especially if you want to repost the content later on your page when you have more followers. You'll literally ruin your page. It's not worth it, guys. TikTok has a very strong AI system, and it takes literally 1 second for TikTok to recognize the video and the audio if it matches with another creator's content. So also, don't try to go stealing content from other big creators and trying to post it as your own. That is a big and TikTok will slap you with a quick ban like it's nothing, and the whole TikTok office will be pointing and laughing at you. So don't try it. Reason number 3, your video might be stuck in review. This might happen for different reasons. Something about this video just doesn't sit right with TikTok. I don't know what it is, but you made TikTok uneasy and suspicious.
That smell, the kind of smelly smell, the smelly smell that smells.
Unfortunately, TikTok won't notify you when your video is in review, but if you have 0 views and you want to check if it has, shut the f up. Oh my god. But if you have 0 views and you want to check if it's under review, just click share on the bottom right of the video or the 3 dots and then click copy link. If when you click copy link it says this video is under review on the top, the video is under review. Don't even waste your time trying to let the video go through review, because I've experienced this and I've talked to a lot of people about this in group chats that I'm in and that I've personally made, and a lot of people say that even when it goes through review, the views are capped and it doesn't get a lot of views or likes at all. What you need to do is delete this video and try to repost it within 10 minutes. If it's still under review when you post it the second time, or if it posts and it gets less than 10% engagement than you usually get, 1, don't try to keep reposting it. You're literally gonna ruin your account and all of your views will suffer because of this. Me and my girlfriend's views both suffered when we tried this one time. We were both trying to post a video that she made, a compilation of me bringing coffee to her. It was a cute little compilation and we were just trying to post it, but in half of the video I didn't have my shirt on, because when I first wake up I don't have a shirt on because I sleep without a shirt. So we both kept trying to repost it, but it wasn't getting a lot of reviews and it kept going under review. And since we kept trying to repost it over and over again, TikTok saw that we were doing this and they saw it as us trying to go against their community guidelines, and both of our accounts got really low views for like 2 days after that. But don't worry, we fixed it, it's all good now. But I'm trying to save you from experiencing this. And number 2, if this happens, this is really gonna suck, but yes, you have to remake the video because something about this video does not sit right with TikTok. Reason number 4, you're not posting during the optimal times. Generally, the optimal times are anywhere from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern time. And if you want to learn more about the best times for your specific page to post, then check out this video that I'll be linking above. Again, don't click it now. Just set a reminder and watch it after this video. Posting during the optimal times is the easiest step of this whole entire video because you're gonna post videos on TikTok. Just do it mostly during the optimal times. I'm not saying don't post throughout the day, but when it comes to 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. or whatever the optimal times are for your page, that's when you want to post the majority of your videos. And guys, don't spam your feed. I know I talk a lot about posting 20 or more times a day, but when I say post 20 times a day, I don't mean post 20 videos in 1 hour. You have to spread it out. Otherwise, your account's going to be marked as spam and TikTok is not going to put your videos out. Reason number 5, your engagement is super low. For every 100 views that you have, 5 to 10 of those people should have liked the video that they watched. This is a very broad estimation, but this is what my data has shown. Any videos that I've posted that have gotten 5 to 10% likes and comments versus views has gotten a lot of views. Another way to gauge engagement is watch time. As you could see from these videos that I'm putting on the screen, all of these videos went viral, meaning over 500,000 views on these videos. And one of the biggest factors of these videos going viral was the fact that they had more watch time than the actual length of the video. So for example, if a video was 10 seconds, then the watch time was on average around 15 seconds, let's say. So you need to make videos that are gonna get people to be like, what just happened? And then rewatch the video. So an easy way to find videos that do this is to scroll through your For You page and look for videos that entertained you enough or interested you enough to watch a second time. Then take these video ideas, try to remake them, but put your own spin on it. If it was a trendy video, try to combine it with another trend. If it was a dance video, try to add an extra move. If it was something funny, make it even funnier. Whatever it is you gotta do, take this idea and make it even better. This is not stealing, this is borrowing. I'm kidding. It's not even borrowing. Honestly, this is how a lot of systems in life work. Even on YouTube, creators take from other creators and add more value to whatever they did. Or even with Apple and Samsung, or just business in general. Like with Apple, they came out with Face ID, and then Samsung came out with Face ID and other creative ways to unlock your phone. People use ideas that other people have come up with all the time and change it up in their own way. I'm not 100% sure how it went with Apple and Samsung, but you get the idea. Keep posting more engaging content, because maybe your views are suffering because your content is just not that good. Maybe you're posting too many of the same type of video. Maybe you need to change it up. Whatever it is you need to change, TikTok is trying to tell you something, so listen to it. Reason number 6. One of the biggest reasons that I see accounts failing, even when they make good content, is because the quality of the video is no good. A lot of you guys need to realize that it's not just about the idea, it's about what you do with that idea and the outcome of that idea. Your video shouldn't be 1, shaky, 2, it shouldn't be pixelated, 3, it shouldn't be grainy, and 4, it shouldn't be at any weird angle. You could fix this by stabilizing your camera. Be conscious of the way that you're holding your phone when you take videos. Use a good quality camera. If your phone camera isn't good, try to use a tablet or any other device you have in your house. Borrow your parents' phone or something. Save up and buy another phone, or ask for a phone or something for an upcoming birthday or graduation or whatever it may be. Use good lighting, whether that's in your bathroom or outside during the day. Whenever you take a video in bad lighting, it's gonna be grainy. And don't use weird angles. Just to give you guys an example, I saw a video of a kid trying to throw a baseball through a big roll of tape, and he did it, and it would have been impressive, but he put his phone on the floor. Who does this? Since he put his phone on the floor, I literally couldn't see anything. I just heard noises. Get a phone tripod or something. The cheapest tripods on Amazon are anywhere from $6 to $20. The quality of your videos have to be good, because you can have good content but have no viewers because they don't want to watch a shaky, grainy, pixelated video. That's all I have for today, guys. I just dropped some crazy nuggets on you. If you like that video, definitely drop a like below because it helps out a lot, and also subscribe to this channel because I post videos like this every other day. Definitely go take a look at that TikTok tips to go viral playlist that I mentioned before. I'll be linking that down in the description. Comment your TikTok username down below, like I said, and reply to other people's TikTok comments, and follow each other so we can all help each other grow. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to reward you by subscribing to you. Just comment below, I made it to the end. Also, feel free to message me on Instagram when you start growing. I love hearing that I helped you guys, and it means a lot. I appreciate you guys watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.